I've got a Zoom link. I click on it. It takes me to this page here and it says I need to get an app from the Microsoft Store, which is kind of weird because, well, I'll show you. So I click on that and it takes me to the Microsoft Store and it says no results found. So, I mean, surely it should know whether there's a Zoom app available on the store or not. It's just weird that it doesn't. Then it says, okay, it didn't open the Workplace app. Download it and install the app. Well, thing is that I've downloaded it and installed it 3 times today. Well, actually twice. Look here they are. I've downloaded and installed it, and just for your edification, here is the app. It's installed. It's installed already. So, I mean, surely the assumption is that when you click on a Zoom link, boom, it opens up the Zoom app so you can actually use it. But no, it takes you to this page saying you need to go to the Microsoft Store. And when you go there, it doesn't find the damn app. So it says download it and install it. So you download it and install it. You install the app, here it is. And then you click on the link. And it takes you back to this page saying go to the Microsoft Store. I mean, what is that, Zoom? Seriously, that is bad. Anyway, there you go. It's I know what anything I can do now because the links don't work. Ignore this whole nonsense here. Go to the link on my, just copy this link. Well, no, not like that. Just copy it, and then go to the Zoom app. Go to join, and then you can paste it in there, and then you can join it there. So you have to do it manually. The links are not working for some reason. Zoom has screwed that up royally. There you go.